welcome back. Richard Smith, Apostolic Praise School of Music. Oh my goodness, this is going to be a blast here. So we're going to be continuing our study of the augmented, suspended chords, pentatonic scale, just cool stuff here. And we're going to be looking at it in the key of G today. So, lesson 4, AP 102, let's jump into it. So the only new chord we're learning here is a D augmented, which is D, F sharp, A, F sharp or G flat, and then just sharp, your fifth. We'll change that A to B flat. Okay, that's it. So let's go ahead and do our exercise song. Y'all know the routine? Okay, you can practice the inversions of that new chord too. It's in the PDF study guide, in the chord guide on that page. All right, so G, let's augment it. Let's move that to C. C again. All right, back to G. G again. D. And then augment the D. Back to G. Okay, sweet. Suspended 4 chords. The only new one is going to be a D suspended. So take your D major, D, G flat A. We kick out the third when we suspend chords, right? We always suspend the third. We're going to add the fourth, which is a G note. So D, G, A is our D suspended 4. Okay, so let's play exercise song 2 and then song 3. G to G suspended 4. C to C suspended 4. Back to G suspended 4.